Sarah showed me how she cooks a whole fish, steaming it. And I thought, I need to steam fish more often and work in some more flavor. I appreciated learning how to steam fish from Sarah. I'm steaming my fish in Parchment parcels. It's a great opportunity to build in flavor. I have 2 pieces of parchment, folded in half. I'm working with springtime flavors to work with a delicate white fish. So I've got dill and tarragon here that I'll place at the bottom of each piece of parchment. And then I'll put my piece of fish on top. I have fresh cod here because it's local and available to me. Anything that is delicate and tender will work here too. A couple of lemon slices off to the side. The juices will cook out of the lemon into the fish, but also the zest from the lemon peel will add more flavor. Might as well build in some vegetables with julienne red pepper and a generous sprinkling of green onions. I really liked how Sarah used oil at the end of the steaming process to wake up all the flavors. I thought I can do the same thing, and I'm going to use almond oil. As the fish steams, it will warm up and wake up all the flavors. And here's where a little technique comes into play. You want to seal up the fish so that the steam and the flavor stays inside. So that means creating overlapping folds. Start at one end of the fold. You don't have to be an expert gift wrapper to do this. Just keep building and layering those folds all the way around. And at the end, give it a little twist and tuck it underneath. And this gets placed on a baking tray. I've preheated my oven to 190, and these take about 12 to 15 minutes. You want to wait until you see the parcels souffle up a bit. Then you know the fish is cooked within. My parchment parcels are ready. It only takes 15 minutes, and that fish steams within them. I like to serve the fish in the parcel so that you open it up at the table, just revealing the beautiful aromas. I can really smell the dill and the tarragon and the lemon. My finishing touch is a little sprinkle of toasted sliced almonds. The oil really does wake up all the aromas, just like it did in Sarah's dish. Oh, this is just so healthy. I love how with this steaming technique, the fish flakes away easily and the vegetables retain a bit of crunch. But really, it's all about the aromatics. What a fantastic way to prepare fish.